Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy thick with Besan, only way. Toast Besan until nutty and fragrant, then whisk it into hot liquid gradually to prevent lumps. Use a light oil to bloom spices first, then add stock and simmer gently while stirring. Adjust thickness by adding more stock or more Besan slurry. Finish with acid or salt to balance flavors and serve immediately for best texture. Warm a skillet and toast Besan until it smells nutty and turns golden, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Mix the toasted Besan with cold water or stock to form a smooth slurry before adding to hot liquid. Slowly whisk the slurry into simmering gravy while stirring to avoid clumps. Simmer for several minutes until the gravy thickens and the raw taste is gone. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end. Use a 1:8 ratio of Besan slurry to liquid as a starting point and tweak for desired thickness. Add Besan gradually while whisking to maintain a smooth texture and prevent lumps. If the gravy becomes too thick, thin it with hot stock or water a little at a time while simmering. For a glossy finish, stir in a small knob of butter or a splash of cream at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.